This is the 2 dudes 1 quad challenge. We're gonna try it with this dude and that dude, and these dudes are gonna be watching. I'm not sure what they're gonna be doing while they're watching, but we'll find out.
About 150 feet high.
Okay.
Buddy challenge, take 1.
All right. You're gonna get the.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that
Okay, I'm
looks like
ready.
it's in frame here. Level it up a little bit closer. That's it. Perfect.
Cool deal.
All right, let's do this. Here we go. You ready, Todd?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go.
God.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh shit. Turn. Oh shit.
You're,
Okay.
you're turning.
Okay. Okay. Here. You're not tracking.
I'm worried about keeping us up.
All I can do is that.
Okay.
You want to do a turn? No.
Okay. All
Okay.
yaw. All yaw. All yaw. There we go.
There it goes.
There we go. Okay. All right.
You want to try to make a right turn? Right turn. Right
Okay.
turn. Right turn. Okay. That's great.
Okay.
Let's do a left turn. Something easy. There we go.
Let me lower that. Let's get down a little bit. Tell me
Turn
what.
right. Turn right. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Turn left. There we go. Oh, oh shit.
I got it.
Turn right.
Let me know when you're gonna fucking do a trick like that.
What are you gonna do?
No, I need to
Turn
give
left,
it.
turn left.
I need to
Turn
give
left.
it throttle. I need to give it
Give
throttle.
us some throttle.
Did you use a
Let
roll?
off.
Dope.
No way.
You guys are
Okay,
better
make a
at
left,
flying
make a left.
buddy style than I am normally.
I know each of your
Give it some
hands is
throttle.
better than us.
Split us.
Inverted yaw
Oh
spin.
shit.
Inverted yaw spin,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay, fly backwards.
Okay, now we're getting crazy.
Okay.
Hold on.
Go back to our circles.
Okay.
Left.
Left.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
do a nice punch out and let's go backwards. Yeah. All right, ready for the baloney hole?
Oh my God, are you
All right,
serious?
let's make a left turn.
Oh my God, I have to control throttle and.
Oh my God!
What
We're
am-
gonna hit something. Okay, make a left turn. Oh fuck! There's a goddamn.
I got it.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Okay, I'm freaking out.
Let's try.
Okay, make a left.
That was a right. That was a
Oh,
right.
that was a right. Oh
Yeah.
fuck. Okay.
Okay.
You know what I meant.
Okay. I think we should try. Do you think we can pull off a yaw, reverse yaw thing?
Inverted yaw spin?
No. I'm just gonna go and yaw. You think we can do it?
What do you mean,
Hands
go
up.
and yaw?
I'm gonna.
Okay. Yeah.
You need to
Okay,
pitch
yeah.
forward a little bit. Okay. Let's turn. Okay. Okay. I mean, get low to the ground. We're gonna do a slow cruise along the drag.
Make a left.
Okay. Okay.
Come along the street.
Get low, and then I'm gonna punch out.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
What am I?
I'm gonna yaw, punch out, back pitch, go.
Yeah. Left turn.
Left turn.
Okay. No, the backwards.
Oh, the
slide.
battery's dead. The battery's dead.
Oh, okay. Oh shit. Yeah, it is. Okay.
Okay, we're coming in.
Are you guys gonna land it together? Oh my god.
Woo! Oh, dude!
Oh shit.
Oh my God!
That was weird.
That was so crazy.
Success?
Success. Well, let's see. I think that was a
We ain't
success.
hit now. We might have ruined the battery, but we didn't.
Give him a smile, bro.
Hey!
That's absurd.
Yeah.
Good job, boys.
I would say that was the ultimate FPV teamwork. Thanks to the camera crew.
Oh my god.
All right.
All right.